Hey, I am Rohit. And this is my story. Previously I used to work in the sales performance management / incentive compensation management domain in a company. I was stuck in targets-based job and didn't have work-life balance. Stressed from this workload, I decided to quit the job and switch into IT domain. I had thought of switching into IT, so started searching for IT courses which could help me to start my career and that too without losing previous work experience. So, I searched as well as contacted many institutions to know about the course, but most of them didn't seem interesting and relatable to me. I have even joined one IT certification course, but I lost interest in between as the course included too much coding. One day while browsing on Google, saw the ad for the COEPD Business Analyst Training and Placement Assistance Program, and I contacted their desk support to know more about the course. And I was happy to know that this certification doesn't include coding, as Business Analyst is one such profile in the IT industry. Finally, I registered and joined the course. I got placed in Red Hat, a software company, as business analyst with CTC 20 LBA. Before joining the course, I was stressed, less confident, unhappy. But after the course, now I am focused, confident, happy. So, what are you waiting for? Join COEPD, grow your career, and develop professionally. Reach COEPD at WhatsApp